This plain white fabric is about to become something amazing.
Right now, it has no color, no design, no identity.
But in just minutes, everything will change.
Welcome inside the color dyeing process.
First, the machine fills with heated water.
Temperature is carefully controlled for perfect results. Next comes the dye, where color is born. Highly concentrated pigments are mixed with precision. Even one small mistake can ruin the entire batch.
Machines control time, heat, speed, and chemical balance. Now the fabric enters completely colorless.
And the transformation begins instantly.
Every fiber absorbs the color deeply.
The drum rotates continuously for even coverage. At first, the color appears softly. Then stronger, richer, deeper.
From plain white to bold, new identity.
Each tiny thread changes from the inside out.
Constant motion prevents stains and patchy areas.
This is science mixed with art.
Timing is everything in professional dyeing.
And now, the reveal.
The once white fabric is now completely transformed into red. Rich color, smooth texture, perfect finish. Factories can create thousands of shades like this.
Each color must match exact customer standards.
Next comes rinsing to remove excess dye.
This helps lock the final color in place. Then the fabric is dried under controlled heat.
Now it looks ready for fashion stores. Every roll is checked for quality.
Even tiny color differences are rejected.
Thousands of meters are produced every day.
Soft, vibrant, and ready to become clothing.
This fabric may soon become what you wear.
From blank canvas to finished masterpiece.
An incredible transformation, powered by technology.
Subscribe for more satisfying factory transformations.